How to use styles in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to make your Word document look clean, consistent, and professional without formatting everything manually, you can use the styles in Microsoft Word. First of all, launch open the Microsoft Word app on your smartphone and make sure to open up one of the documents you want to edit. Once you're inside your document, highlight the text you want to style. For example, you can highlight the main title, section heading, or a paragraph. I'm just going to select one of the paragraphs over here. Let's go ahead and highlight it. Select the area that you want to edit. And after making the selection, tap on the plus button at the bottom left. And after making the selection, go to the bottom tool menu and tap the three dots. Now you will see different options at the bottom. Tap on Styles, and under Styles, you'll see options such as Heading 2, Normal, P1, P2, P3, etc. Choose the style you want. After making a selection, you will see that the selected words or paragraphs has now changed its style. Your text will instantly update. You can go ahead and choose your styles that you want, and that's it. That is how you can easily use styles in Microsoft Words. Using styles will save you time and make your documents look structured and polished. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.